How to fix you've reached the maximum number of attempts on LinkedIn. I'm going to tell you how to fix the you've reached the maximum number of attempts error on LinkedIn. This usually happens if you've tried logging in too many times with the wrong password or failed verification. First, wait at least 24 hours before trying again. LinkedIn has a temporary lockout for security. While waiting, go to the LinkedIn password reset page and create a new secured password. If you're still blocked, clear your browser cache and cookies. Or try using a different device or network. On mobile, you can also reinstall the LinkedIn app to refresh its data. And if nothing works, contact LinkedIn support through their help center. Explain the situation and provide any ID or email confirmation they request. This will get your account unlocked faster.